Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the top skills you should learn in 2025 if you want to become a millionaire. The world is changing fast and new opportunities are opening up every day. So if you want to stay ahead and secure your financial future, you need to equip yourself with the right skills. Let's dive in.
Skill 1. Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning.
First up is artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning. These technologies are transforming industries worldwide, from healthcare to finance, from manufacturing to entertainment. Companies are investing heavily in AI to automate processes, analyze huge amounts of data, and improve customer experiences. If you learn how to build AI models, write algorithms, or work with big data, you can command some of the highest salaries in the tech world. Moreover, AI experts are in short supply, meaning great job security and growth potential. Think about voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, or recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon, all powered by AI. Skilled professionals working on these technologies are highly valued. Skill 2. Digital marketing. Next is digital marketing. With billions of people online, businesses need digital marketers to reach their customers effectively. Whether it's search engine optimization or SEO, social media campaigns, email marketing, or content creation, digital marketing is a vast field with plenty of opportunities. You don't necessarily need a formal degree. Many successful marketers are self-taught and work as freelancers or consultants. If you've ever seen ads on Instagram or YouTube, that's digital marketing at work. Learning these skills can help you get clients or start your own digital agency, earning you a great income.
Skill 3. Blockchain Technology. Third, we have blockchain technology. While it became popular with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain is much more than that. It's used in supply chain tracking, secure voting systems, and healthcare records. Blockchain developers design systems that are secure and transparent. Due to its complexity and growing demand, blockchain professionals can earn handsome salaries, especially if you work with international clients or companies. Many governments and big corporations are exploring blockchain for secure transactions. By learning this skill, you open doors to futuristic, high-paying career.
Skill 4. Video editing and animation. Coming to creative skills, video editing and animation have exploded in demand. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and even corporate businesses require engaging videos to connect with their audience. If you can edit videos, create animations, or produce visual effects, you can work as a freelancer, join creative agencies, or even start your own content channel. From explainer videos to promotional ads, skilled video editors are always in demand. Plus, learning tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, or DaVinci Resolve can set you apart. Skill 5. Cloud computing. Finally, cloud computing is a game changer. With remote work and online services growing exponentially, cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are the backbone of modern IT infrastructure. Cloud architects and engineers design, manage, and optimize cloud environments. Learning cloud computing not only gives you access to top tech jobs, but also freelance and consulting opportunities with excellent pay. Many startups and large companies are shifting to cloud services to save costs and improve efficiency. Being skilled in this area ensures you remain relevant in the job market. Bonus tips for success.
So friends, these were the top 5 skills to learn in 2025 that can help you become a millionaire. Remember, the key is not just learning, but applying these skills effectively. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Also, comment below which skill you want to learn first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.